This is how you start a hand knit chunky blanket. First, you're gonna grab some chunky yarn. You're going to grab the tail end of the yarn and you're going to make a slip knot and leave about 4 or 5 inches on the tail. You're going to make your loop about 4 fingers wide. You're going to pull the yarn through that loop to make another loop that's 4 fingers wide. And then you're just going to keep doing that until you get 25 loops. You want to make sure that your loops stay consistent, that they're not too big or too small. And you can count as you're going, or you can just do a bunch, then count later. This is a good size for like a throw blanket for the couch or a chair, or maybe the end of your bed. Let's see how many loops I have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Wow, that was really close. 25. Okay, so that is your first chain. To start your first row above that, you're going to do the exact same thing. Pull this working yarn through this loop, but go up instead of out. So that is your first loop to start your second row. And then you're gonna find these little arches here, and that's where you're going to pull the working yarn through. Find this next little arch, pull it through. Make sure your loops are the same size. I'd say around 2 fingers width wide for here. And then you're just gonna keep doing that, making sure that you do not skip any of these loops on top. And you want to make sure that by the time you get to the end, there's 25 of these loops. Now, I go really fast with this just because I've been doing it for a while, but it might take you a little bit longer. This yarn is so soft, by the way. So you get to the end. This is my last one, and then you're gonna do 1 loop right above that one, and that's your first loop to go this way. And that's it. That's how you start a hand knit chunky blanket.